Tasha, a recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff.
And I'm Lexi. I'm also a recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff. And we are here today to make a Apple Amaretto Sour. We just got back from the pumpkin patch and the apple orchard, and here we are, bringing you some delicious fall drinks. Yay!
Gotta love fall time.
All right, so this is just a twist on the Amaretto Sour. It's a pretty good drink. I love it. So just easy. So we'll get started. Shot of Amaretto.
What is your favorite fall movie, Lexi?
Hocus Pocus.
Same here. And actually, 31 Days of Halloween started last night.
It did?
Yep, and that was the movie that was on last night.
That's what I'm gonna be doing tonight. All right, we have some lemon juice in there, guys. It's about, what is that, an ounce?
Half ounce.
Half ounce?
No, 1 ounce.
We're figuring it out. And then, hey guys, just some apple cider. You can go get some fresh. This is not quite as fresh, but whatever you want to do. Fine, and then we'll pop in, slice of lemon there, and if you want to get fancy, add a cinnamon stick.
There we go.
And the magic of television, we have 2.
Yeah.
Cheers. Ta-da!
Oh, that's good.
That's so good.
You guys need to make this. If you don't, you're missing out. This is probably my new fall basic drink.
I think so.
So some awesome places for you guys to go to do some fun fall activities while you're on assignment. The first one, where we're actually going to be doing a meet and greet here pretty soon, so check with your recruiters for more details, is Salem Haunted Happenings in Salem, Massachusetts.
Oh yes, Hocus Pocus.
You can't beat that. That would be awesome. We'll be on a plane ride to go there with you. Halloween Town Pumpkin Patch, and there's a couple different locations in the Las Vegas area, so that's where that is. New Hampshire Pumpkin Festival in Laconia, New Hampshire. And then Sleepy Halloween in Sleepy Hollow, New York.
Ooh, that's another good movie.
That'd be another good one. And then Castle of Muskogee in Muskogee, Oklahoma. So check those out. Send us photos if you guys go and enjoy fall.
Happy drinking.
Cheers.